Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to move photos from one album to another on iPhone. First of all, open your Photos app and go to Albums. Now here, click on the plus icon and you can create a new album and then name it whatever you want. Now from any album, find the photos you want to organize. You can press and hold the photo. You can also select multiple photos at once, and once selecting them, you will now need to tap on the share icon. After tapping on the share icon, click on add to album and then click on the album you just created. This helps keep your photo library organized and easier to manage. And that's it. That's how to move photos between albums on iPhone. And if this video helped you, follow us for more tips and tutorials.